Hello, Rainy Rain here, and I'm not afraid to admit that I am a cat lover. I do love cats. And matter of fact, I got a new little kitty, and she's to go along with my other cat who's 7 years old. Now, I like all kinds of animals, but of course, when it comes to pets, kittens, cats, they're more like people. They're not really a pet, they're more of just a friend, and they kind of take care of themselves, but I like to spoil them. That's why I built them a system of perches. Now, I've always made perches for my cats, because cats like to be up high, and my other cat, Mortimer, he loves the perches. So I was definitely going to need to make more than one, and I wanted to make them more elaborate, make it more nicer. So let me show you how I built some perches and some landings for this cute little girl and her big brother. This is the cat wall as it stands. He starts here at the bottom. He can make the first one from the ground and goes up, turns around, goes the other way, all the way to the top. Now the plan is to not only go that direction, but also go this direction and go up there, so that there's two perches. So this perch and this perch are both newer perches that I made, and they're really strong, but the other ones are just two pieces of wood glued and nailed together, and my fat cat has about got them broken, especially this one. This is just sheetrock, so I can only go to the studs. You can see that is why this one is tilted, because it's only screwed in with these two screws here on the stud, and a lot of it hangs over. So I need more leverage on this one and the one above it, because it's also on that same stud. I'm going to make them bigger as well, so I can eliminate this one, and I'm going to bring the one above the door over and down and make a longer bridge to cross. And that's going to be the same thing on the other side as well. With it being the robot wall and only being sheetrock, there are a lot of these drywall anchors in here. So I'm either going to get rid of these or poke them all the way through. I just think if I'm going to this much trouble that I might as well fill these holes and paint this wall. So I bought some Oops paint at the hardware store. It's a tan color. It was only $9. But I guess the first thing to do is to get all this stuff off the wall and just start fresh. Well, if you've seen my garden bridge video where I made a little bridge for my mother's garden, then you've seen this paint. This is my Oops paint that I bought at the store. Someone had this made, wasn't the right color, so it was 50% off, and I got it. This is high quality paint as well. Made for outdoors, so this should do nicely. I was just at the home center buying this paint. I don't know why I thought I have roller naps, because I don't. I guess I'm painting this thing with a brush. So hey, if you like this video, I would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff, hit that subscribe button. Go check out some old videos. Anyway, I want to thank these people right here. These are patrons. These are people helping me out. These are the people bringing you the cat perches so I can inspire other people who have cats who can go and build them some perches as well because the cats love them. And I love these patrons, so I thank them very much. If you'd like to become a patron, of course, there are links below. Anyway, thanks for watching.